Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today's video will be an in-depth kind of comparison between Incfile and LegalZoom for farming your LLC online. We'll break down the pricing, features, add-ons, and overall value that you get with each service. By the end of this video, you'll know which provider gives you the most benefits for your money when starting your business. First, let's level set on exactly what services both Incfile and LegalZoom provide. Incfile is focused 100% on streamlining businesses formation and compliance filings. This includes services like forming LLCs, filing DBAs, incorporating as an S Corp or C Corp. You can form non-profits and staying compliant with the state requirements. Incfile aims to make legally forming your business as fast, easy, and affordable as possible. Meanwhile, LegalZoom takes a much broader approach by offering business formation plus a wide array of personal legal services like trademark registration, copyright applications, you have wills, trusts, and estate planning, power of attorney documents, legal advice and contract reviews, and more. So LegalZoom operates more like an online legal supermarket for both businesses and individuals. The LLC part is just one small part of their overall offering. This wider range of legal services provides value, but it can also reduce LegalZoom's specialization if you just need to form an LLC or corporation. Alright, now that we understand the core services of each provider, let's compare their LLC filing packages. LegalZoom's basic LLC package comes at $0 plus the state filing fees, and it includes articles of organization, which is needed to officially register your LLC with the state. You will have name check service to confirm that your preferred business name is valid and available to be reserved. A digital welcome packet which includes a step-by-step checklist to follow after your LLC is officially registered. And you have a customizable website to establish your professional online presence using Wix. Whereas Incfile's base silver package, it starts at $0 plus your state fee, and it covers preparing and filing your articles of organization to register your LLC. Plus, we have to mention that Incfile throws in a free registered agent service for 1 year, which is over $120 of value. Having a registered agent is required by law. So already Incfile is saving you money upfront on core LLC formation while providing more overall value. LegalZoom charges extra if you want to add a registered agent to their economy plan. Frankly, Incfile provides the absolute essentials for LLC formation, including a free registered agent for less money overall. Moving up, LegalZoom's Pro package is $249 plus state filing fees. For this one, you will have an operating agreement which helps you set entity guidelines and settle disputes, an EIN which is used to file taxes, open bank accounts, and build your staff, a comprehensive guide to business licenses for your location and industry, and you will also have an initial phone consultations with specialists about business insurance and taxes. Incfile's Gold package is $199 plus state fee, and it includes a free registered agent for a year. This is about $119 plus in value. Operating agreement template, this is about $40 in value. Ongoing compliance alerts. You have online LLC status dashboard and preparing and filing for your EIN. Again, Incfile packs way more core values into their mid-tier, offering for less overall cost. An operating agreement and obtaining an EIN are both crucial LLC requirements that provide far more real value than LegalZoom's upgraded package perks like a presentation folder and a company seal. And now we have the top tier LLC package comparison. The top tier LLC packages don't really have that much extra from the other ones. They simply include everything in the two lower tiers. So LegalZoom's premium package is $299 plus state filing fee, and it includes everything from the Pro package plus hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney that you choose based on state, their years of experience, and the rating. You get unlimited 30-minute attorney consultations about new legal topics related to your business, and you get the first 30 days of subscription included. Also, any changes to your LLC formation documents within the first 30 days. Whereas Incfile's Platinum package, for $299 package fee plus the state fees, you will be getting the same exact features as the Gold package, but in addition to it, you will have business contract templates, a free next day filing, you'll be getting domain name plus business email. So to recap, here are the top reasons why Incfile beats LegalZoom for LLC formation specifically. You have lower overall prices. Incfile's packages, while they might be a little bit more pricey, they include far more valuable added services for less money compared to LegalZoom. You also get the free year of registered agent service, which is a $120+ in value from Incfile that includes for free with all the packages. You'll also be getting the operating agreement template, and it also makes it very easy to obtain your EIN during your LLC formation. You also have specialization in business formation, as Incfile focuses solely on registration and compliance filings like LLC creation. LegalZoom may be worth it for combined legal services, but for LLC formation only, Incfile offers much more value and specialization. And that wraps it up for the complete walkthrough of comparing Incfile versus LegalZoom features and services specifically for LLC formation. I hope that this breakdown clearly illustrated why Incfile offers much more value and specialization for your LLC filing needs. If you're curious and you want to check both services out, then feel free to check the description down below to seamlessly complete and form your LLCs. You'll be finding links for both LegalZoom and Incfile tagged in the description below, so feel free to check them out and let us know what you think. If you have any other questions, let us know in the comment section down below. We'll be happily answering them. And if you found this video to be valuable, let us know by leaving a like and subscribing for our future content.